Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create those interactive question stories on WhatsApp. You know, the ones where people can reply directly to your story. It's super easy, fun to use, and great way to engage with your friends or followers. So let's get started. First, just open your WhatsApp app and then just go to status tab like this. That's where you can create or view stories like this, and then just tap on camera icon or my status to start creating your own like this. And then you can either take a photo or just choose one from your gallery, or just simply use a plain background color if you prefer text only stories. But in this tutorial I will use a photo because it looks a bit more fun and personal. For example, I will choose this one, and once your photo is ready, just tap on sticker, this one, just tap on it. And then in here you will see a bunch of options like add yours, time, location, photo, music, and then questions. Just tap on question sticker like this. It looks like a small chat bubble like this. This feature that lets people reply to your story directly. Next, just type your questions. It could be anything that you like. For example, like this. For example, like this. Just be creative. Short, fun, and personal questions usually get more replies. And once you're done typing, just tap on done at the top right corner, like this. And then after that, just just set the positions of your questions bubble. Just place it as you like, anywhere as you like this. And then after that, once you're done, and once everything looks good, just tap on send button to post to post it to your story like this. And okay, like this, that your friends can now reply to your question right from your story. And okay, that's how you can create a question story on WhatsApp. It's super quick, super easy, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.